Hey there, Fletch with All Things Overlanding here, and today I'm going to be talking about a company that you probably usually associate with light bulbs, and that's LasFit. One thing that I just found out recently is that they also have these really nice, really beefy, custom-cut floor mats for a variety of vehicles, and of course the Frontier does not have a lot of options. So when I saw that, I was like, man, that's really cool. They have these nice sort of custom-fitted, custom-cut, heavy-duty floor liners. So if you want to see more on the LasFit floor mats, stay tuned.
Understand where it came from, but you got it, my got it. It began in the land of the sandstorm. I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip.
All right, so, I'm not going to like bore you with the instructions. You want to look at these and figure out which one goes on the driver and which one goes on the passenger. Then they also include one for the back as well. In my truck, there are two little hooks over here on the passenger side, and there's two little knobs here that are going to sit over those hooks and kind of keep this thing from moving. Plus, then it's got these nice little cleats on the bottom of it that are also going to keep it from sliding around. But so then it's literally as simple as this. We're just going to sort of fit it in here over that. I mean, that's it. That's as simple as it is. But as you can see, and I'll grab the camera here in a second and show you, this thing fits perfectly. Like, it's clearly laser scanned, and then they just make these things custom for the vehicle. So, as you can see here, these things just fit perfectly. Now, I should have swept this out. I'm obviously in the woods camping right now. But yeah, obviously, if you're at home, sweep the carpet, clean up before you throw these mats in here. But then these things are going to catch, because of their high lips on them, they're going to catch all the mud, all the dirt, all the water. And then I like that they even go over the, the outside a little bit. So you're not going to get all that dirt like my old floor mats left down underneath in between the crevices, because it's going to be covered. All right, so here goes the driver's side. Now, again, you want to look at where your little knobs are here and where your spots are. Now, in mine, it's going to sit just like this. You've got a little padding here for your heel. You've got the part that covers over the gap between the sill and the carpet. And then you've got a tall back on it so that it's going to pick up all the dirt, all the mud and everything where your feet go to the gas and the brakes. So I'm going to slide this in underneath the brakes and the gas pedal. Make sure not to push your gas pedal down with the mat. That would be bad. Then we're just going to sort of push it down there like that. And now I'm going to show you what this looks like. So then there is what it looks like. And it looks really nice. I love the high sides on it. Again, just keeping the mud and stuff out of everything. I love how much space it covers in the back there. But these things, again, are very budget priced. So I'm not going to bore you with putting the back one in, but it just works the same way. You're just going to lay it in there, and then your carpet's going to be totally protected. So again, I hope that was helpful for you. I did not know that LasFit had floor mats, so that was the biggest thing that I wanted to do, was share with you guys the fact that LasFit also makes great headlights and light bulb replacements, but they make some really nice floor liners too, especially if you have a third-gen Frontier. So you definitely want to check that out if you are looking for some options for some rubberized floor mats that are pretty budget priced, that will do a great job of covering up your floors and protecting your carpet. So of course, I will put a link in the description below, along with any discount codes that I've got to save you some money. So if you're looking for these and you're like, great, this is perfect, just click through that link down there, use that coupon code and pick yourself up a set. Also below this video is a join button, which is just sort of a passive way to support the channel, get you early access to the videos and some other perks. If you want to be more involved with All Things Overlanding, there's also a link to my Patreon page. And on the Patreon page, if you're $5 or above, you get access to our 24/7 Discord, where we all kind of chat all day. We share memes, we talk about our gear and our rigs and stuff. It's a ton of fun. We also do a once-a-month Zoom call, and then we're doing in-person meetups once or twice a year. So it's been a lot of fun. We actually did our first one about a month or so ago, and it was awesome. Laying between the lakes, Kentucky, especially if you're in the Midwest and you want to, kind of come hang out. And if you're newer to camping especially, then this would be a good group for you. And we'd love to have you as part of the Patreon. Also below this video in the description is a link to my website, where I've got funny overlanding camping themed patches and stickers, things like "Don't burn your wiener" and "It's a hot dog," or "I hate people so I camp." So if you're into that stuff, check that out. Or if you want to decorate your car or your backpack or whatever, there are Velcro backed patches and great quality stickers down there for you as well. Then last but not least, there is a link to the Newbie Overlanders Facebook group. Now, this group is totally free to join, full of awesome people, and different from the big groups, we don't allow bullying. So if you are newer to overlanding and you're kind of sick of being chewed apart every time you ask a question in a group, this may be a good place for you to get started. And if you're more experienced and you're just annoyed with all the negativity in the big groups, then this also might be a good place for you, and you could help newbies get into the hobby. So check out Newbie Overlanders. And then, of course, if you got value out of the video, click that like button. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button, click the bell to be notified when new videos drop, because I do a couple every week. So again, if you're into camping gear, if you're into do-it-yourself modifications, if you like budget-priced gear, this is going to be a good place for you, and I'd love to have you as a subscriber. So thanks again for watching. Hope that was helpful, and we'll see you next time.